Hey guys, Amtrak Fan 19 here, and today we're doing something different. Today we're going to be doing top 10 Railfaning catches. Now you're probably wondering, Amtrak, why do you want to do this? Well, because I want to show it to my friend Millennium Force. I have a video of me saying this to the stupid orange. Look.
Oh no! You're the stupid orange! Ah!
Okay, that was so funny. But anyways, let's go. Number 10 goes to...
Oh my god,
This is an amazing catch. I was actually quite lucky enough to see the two Genesis units coming. Although, they're officially going to be replaced by ALC-42s in the near future. But it's still pretty cool. Although, I give it a 10 out of 10. And it was so awesome. The number 9 spot goes to...
yeah! Dozzer!
This is a cool one. After a crossing malfunction, it lasted 2 hours. Crazy, huh? But after that, an NS Heritage unit came to us. I don't know why, but it kind of went good. But after the train came, the blurry image occurred. But it's fine. I'll give it an 8 out of 10. So amazing, though. Number 8 goes to... 19. When I was filming Amtrak 19, a southbound came my way. I had to turn my camera around, but wow, I did see a Phase 7 diner and a Phase 7 sleeper car. And then that southbound Global 7 came to me, and it was crazy. I'm not impressed by that one, so I'm going to give that a 6 out of 10. Still pretty cool. The number 7 part goes to... Second train, Amtrak 19, Keystone South. I believe that's him.
Yep, that's him.
This was in Sewanee, Georgia. When I was catching Amtrak 19, I did notice the headlights were not working. It was one of them, but the other one was working. And the speed was just insane. I don't know the speed, so I give it a 5 out of 10. Still pretty cool of the high-speed train on the Charger units. Number 6 goes to... 4 train, Amtrak 19. When I was in Austell with Railfans in Northeast Georgia, 2 old-school units came. They were the P40DC and the P42DC. However, though, the P40s are now retired, but it's still cool. I give it a 10 out of 10. Awesome for me. Number 5.
Oh, Phase 7! Shit! Phase 7, Phase 7!
Once again, this is an Austell, and a Phase 7 Genesis came our way. And also, a Phase 7 Viewliner was in sight. So, this is another 10 out of 10. So cool. I love it. Number 4 goes to... Fiori!
Alright, I got you. Ready?
Ready.
Okay, so let's do this. You got recording? Alright, and I'm gonna show you how you do this, right? Ready? And when it's close, we're gonna follow it. Front part, ready? And
this one was way back in 2024 on an Amtrak trip to Virginia. And I did see some Railfans, and I decided to Railfan with them. But when this very train came, he taught me what to do, and I did follow his instructions. That's a solid 20 out of 10. That's a pretty cool one. So, yep, 20 out of 10. Before we get on to the top 3, I just want to let you know that I started Railfaning in the early parts of 2023 in Austell in November. So I did go through Austell, Georgia in 2023, and then I just want to let you know that we were Railfaning on Veterans Day in 2023. So, yep. Anyway, let's go to the top 3 now. It's gonna be amazing. Here we go. Number 3 goes to I hear Amtrak behind. I hear another Amtrak coming. That might be PO 91. After Amtrak 171 departed Alexandria, Virginia station, something sneaked up on us. It was so crazy to see 2 Amtrak trains coming. So this was way back in 2024. And I knew it was the Amtrak Silver Star or Floridium, whatever. So, yep, there were Amfleet 1s on the Northeast Regional and Amfleet 2s on the Silver Meteor, Silver Star, and other long distance trains. And it did have the Amtrak ALC 42 leading. I was kind of shocked to see it coming. So, I give this one a 6 out of 10. Pretty cool though. Number 2 goes to there's 19. In this one, Amtrak 19 had a Amfleet 1 cafe car in Phase 7 for the Mardi Gras service. It was kind of crazy. I give this one a 30 out of 10. Pretty cool. And now, number 1. This one is my favorite. 19. Can't turn that off. After Amtrak 19 came to Austell, I saw 2 P42DC units coming. Amazing. And I saw 3 Phase 7 equipments. One of them was an Amfleet 2, and one of them was 2 sleeper cars. I get this one a 100 out of 10. Cool. Well, that does it for today's Top 10 Railfaning Couches video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and comment below if I should do more of those in the future. This is Amtrak Fan 19, out.